Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those that are new, welcome, 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 and welcome. Today's video, I wanted to explain myself first off because obviously the thumbnail does not look like my face. This look does not look like that look. So let me explain myself. So what had happened was when I was filming this video, this was around Christmas time, and I wanted to do this look for like a romantic Christmas look, obviously. And what had happened was while I was filming this video, the lovely maintenance people of my facilities went ahead and of course wanted to blow away the leaves while I was making this video. Unfortunately, that happened. I just wanted to go ahead and I wanted to put up this video anyway. So like, even though it's not Christmas time anymore, I'm gonna make this like a romantic winter look, I guess. I'm just gonna say that. Romantic winter look, whatever. But without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw you guys into this look real fast. Make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel if you love the look and love me and love what's going on here in Jade's world. When you guys subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button, or I think I have like a YouTube button somewhere around here where you can press as well, somewhere in this video. I think it's like over here. But make sure to also click the bell that is next to my name, because that way you guys will also know when I upload videos, and yeah, when I upload videos. Well, without further ado, let's just move into this look that you guys have been waiting for. And yeah, so let's just keep going. I did my eyebrows off camera and put the concealer, not concealer, but the makeup base onto my eyes. First, let's try this one. I'm gonna go and start with Fantasy first. Not too bad of a color. You do have to probably give it another bit of color, like a second time color, but it's really not that bad. After blending that, I'm gonna go back into the palette and I'm gonna go and take this cranberry shade. This is in Dynamo, and we'll figure it out. I don't think these colors are as bad as they seem. A lot of people were giving really bad reviews for this palette. Well, not a lot of people, but a couple of people were getting pretty bad reviews, or you know, for this palette. But I don't think it's that bad. Next in the palette will be this color, Aspire, and I'm gonna see if I can get that like into the crease, outside of like the crease area. And then I'm gonna go back in with that makeup base and do a cut crease. There's a lot of pretty bright glittery shimmers in here, and I don't know which one I want for this look. Do I want to go super bright with this High Hopes here? Do we want to do ritzy, or do we want to do I kind of like bougie. I think I'm gonna go with ritzy. Yeah, I think we'll take ritzy and put that there and see what happens. Let's try it again. Picked up a little more this time. It's very pretty, but it's too subtle. It's too subtle for me. Let's try High Hopes instead. Let's see if that's gonna be a little brighter. Okay, that's a bit better. It's not as smooth as I would like the blending to be. I would want it to be a little smoother. Maybe that's on me. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with Dynamo and just, you know, blend all of this together. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of my face, and I'll give you a full review on this palette because I don't know. Give me a second. I feel like I have some mixed reviews on it, but I don't know. I really do like it. So this is the final look. I hope you guys can hear me because I don't know what is going on outside. I guess they're doing, I don't know what they're doing. This look is done. I wanted just to pair it with a red lip, but you don't obviously have to do that. You can do any color that you want. So far with this palette, I do like it. I think it is very good for anybody that is looking for a good eyeshadow palette. I'm probably a little skeptical just because I have been very spoiled by the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. You know, not every palette is going to be the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, as I say this to myself. But other than that, I really do like how this look turned out. But yeah, so if you're looking for something that is, ooh, look at that shininess. If you're looking for something that is affordable, but you know, it gives good quality of eyeshadows and all of that, I would recommend this. There's a little setbacks here and there, but that could have just been me and how I was putting on the products. So we can try we can try again with a different look and go from there. So that is the look. I hope you guys had enjoyed this tutorial on this palette. And if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure that you are subscribed by pushing that subscribe button down below, as well as getting my notifications here on YouTube. Make sure to click the bell that is next to my name. That way every time that I upload, you will know. And also to let me know if you like this look down below. Anyway.